everyone, Tim Schofield here. And are these AR glasses really the one? These are the new XREAL ones, and AR glasses just keep getting better, and XREAL's put their own custom silicon in their glasses to add features that have been highly requested. There's a lot to like about the XREAL ones, and we're gonna dive into it. And now putting these on, there's actually a display that's pinned to the wall here that has a script, bullet points for my video, so I can quickly reference it. I could even pin it right over the lens of the camera if I wanted to. There's a lot more use cases. Let's dive into it. These are the new XREAL 1 AR glasses. XREAL's definitely been a leader in the AR industry, and they're really focused on bringing AR to all, and not just all people, but all devices as well, via one USB Type-C cable. The new X1 chip brings a ton of performance and functionality to the XREAL 1. Right when I put these on, I noticed crisper visuals and smoother performance compared to previous models, thanks to that new X1 chip and improved optics engine. Text is also very clear when I read books, read articles, and do my research. Via just one USB Type-C cable, I can connect this to my phone, my tablet, my laptop, my Steam Deck, my handheld gaming device, and have everything on the big screen. It's literally like having a projector on my face. Now, I have two favorite features, one of them being the ultra-wide mode on these glasses. These XREAL ones have really come in handy lately. I actually got a lot of work done down in the studio, so I wasn't able to work in my normal space with my monitors or anything like that, so I had to improvise and work in just different areas around the house. This brings me into one of my favorite features, and that's the ultra wide mode. When plugged into my MacBook, my laptop, I have a full wide view of my editing timeline while I'm editing videos. Not only do you have to just have a timeline, you can have multiple windows, but it's great to be able to look left and right and have a full timeline without having to scroll at all to get to different parts of my video that I'm editing. And obviously I wasn't just working, I was also consuming a lot of content and playing a lot of games with the XREAL ones. XREAL's reduced the motion to photon latency from 20 milliseconds to just 3 milliseconds, which makes everything a lot more responsive and a more immersive experience that I've noticed in daily use, especially when you're playing those fast-paced games. And speaking of gaming, you get a 120 hertz refresh rate. Again, everything is really crisp, really smooth. And don't forget, you can always connect your Steam Deck, Lenovo Legion, your gaming handhelds for that big screen gaming as well. This chip also allows for native 3 degrees of freedom, which is an industry first, and it's on device. So what it will do is take your screen and you can lock it in place. So if I turn my head, that screen's not gonna be there anymore. For example, if we put on the XREAL 1, it's in follow mode right now. So if I turn my head left, the image is gonna follow where I'm actually looking left and right. However, if I press this button, it will turn on anchor mode. And what that's going to do is lock the screen right over there. And so if I turn my head to the right, it's not following me anymore. I can go, 360 all the way around, but that screen's gonna stay in the exact same place. And this is great if I have maybe another monitor, or if I'm watching a TV, I can turn back and re-continue what I'm doing over on this screen. I've noticed the screen's brighter as well, which makes for just a better picture, but also if you want to use them outside, I actually even got some work done on my patio. On top of that, you might want to use them while you're just walking down the street, and one huge perk is the electrochromic dimming that's built in. Now there's 3 settings, basically a fully immersive mode where it will dim everything in front of you, it's harder to see, but you can also go in a more transparent mode to see other things around you as you're using your glasses. Super useful. Say you're on a plane and you're watching something, you want to go fully immersive, or if you're outside walking down the street, you want to pin a window to the corner, you can still see where you're walking. And don't worry, this will work on your iPhone or your Android device. One big thing, if you have a Samsung phone, it probably has something called Samsung DeX, where you can hook it up to a keyboard and mouse and use a desktop-like experience. And I just connect this to my Galaxy S24 and I'm good to go. I can actually use a full desktop and get a ton of work done, watch content, and have multiple windows open. One thing that makes the XREAL ones really special is there's a custom menu built into the glasses to truly customize it. You can change your display size on the fly, screen distance, you can change between the ultra wide mode, 3D mode as well. There's a side view that you can activate, and I've found that this is perfect for when I'm doing chores around the house, maybe doing the dishes, vacuuming. I have a window in the corner of my view, but I can still see in front of me and see what I'm doing. And within those settings, there is IPD, interpupillary distance, that you can fully customize, so edge blur is not a problem anymore because you can change the distance, because everyone's eyes are either further or closer apart. Everyone's different. On top of that, you can use your tablets, whether it's an iPad, an Android tablet, and one really cool thing, if you're drawing or writing notes, you can see on a bigger screen what the stylus is actually doing, what it's writing, and you can look down still if you see the transparent mode on your glasses and see what you're drawing versus what's on that really large screen. The design's actually great. Even though it's just slightly heavier than a previous model, it's still more comfortable to wear. And there's even a new partnership with Bose for the speakers. They sound incredible. There's a lot of bass. I'm talking over a lot of music going on right now. These are algorithmically tuned speakers that sound fantastic, and people around me really can't hear them. They're personal sound devices. And of course, if you'd like to connect Bluetooth earbuds to whatever device you connect to your XREAL ones, that's obviously an option. The adjustable nose pads and spring hinge design make it easy to customize to your specific face and fit. Perfect for those long extended gaming sessions, and if you want to binge watch a TV show, maybe watch a long movie, these are perfect. They've increased the field of view from 46 to 50 degrees, and the screen has gotten bigger at 147 inches at 4 meters. I'm really happy the screen size is bigger. It just makes your projector-like experience so much better. A couple more points I'd like to make. I was binge watching a show on Netflix and I didn't get any motion sickness whatsoever while using the XREAL ones. And on top of that, I like that there's no battery in it. It pulls power from whatever device you're connected to, so you don't have to worry about picking up the glasses and then being out of power and then having to wait to actually charge them back up. You know you're good to go if your device has power. So, all in all, when it comes to the XREAL One AR glasses, I'm really happy with this experience. Being able to plug it into many different devices via the one cable has been fantastic. Those 3 degrees of freedom has to be one of the best features. Being able to pin a screen off to the side has been such a welcome addition without having an external device needed. On top of that, my other favorite feature is the ultra wide mode. Having that extended space to edit videos, have multiple windows open is fantastic. And all of this is possible because of that custom silicon, that X1 chip that they have inside. And that chip really does make it more than just a display. I'm really pleased with the XREAL ones. I will link to them down below. Definitely be sure to check them out. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.